Radio box installation. Let's remove the backrest from the stock bike. Remove the 2 screws and set them aside for later. We will be reusing them to attach the pad to the front of the radio box. Remove these bolts on the side here and also these 2 bolts in the back. Here's the base plate for the radio box. With a little maneuvering, get the bracket on like this. Reinsert the 2 bolts in the front, and also the 2 in the back like so. Tighten them with a ratchet. Remove the 4 bolts sticking up from the bracket. Feed the wire from the radio box through here. Then, attach it to the outlet on the control unit where it says radio. Place the box on top of the bracket and open it up. Insert the 4 Phillips head screws that come with the box like this. Take this bracket for the radio and insert the 4 screws with an Allen wrench, like so. Using the 2 screws we removed from the pad earlier, reattach the pad to the front of the radio box. Here's what it will look like when finished.